Alright guys, this is the demonstration of ECE 111's lab, and this is my lab partner,
Nigel Helly. And this is my lab partner.
My name's Howlin' Joe.
And this is our third demonstration with the activity bot. You want to hold that? Zoom in here. So I set up the light sensors a little bit further spread apart. I still have the same push button as last time, wired in with the piezo speakers. So what I did was I added into pin 3, I added the light sensor, and then also to pin 9 the light sensor travels through the flats. The grounds are both connected to each other and back to the ground here. When we turn on the robot, you can hear the startup beep. It still functions the same as last time. It won't start unless I push the push button. Once I do, the wheels should start spinning, and same function as last time. When I push the whisker, the P26 will start up, it'll back up and turn to that direction. Same thing with the left one and both. Okay, so we can go ahead and take a look at the code here in simple IDE. I have my startup frequency at the continuous while loop, which is searching for input 5, my button. Once that's pressed, it'll continue with another continuous loop where I have declared my variables for the light left, light right, the difference between these sensors, the speed left, speed right, and the whiskers. So I turned on pin 9 and pin 3, which had the light sensors. It pauses, wait to charge the flats, and then the RC time 9, 1, and 3, 1. Now this is a pretty important equation. The difference, the normal difference between, you can either do the light right or light left and divide it by the sum of the two, right here. Now to get a whole number, you multiply any number by 2. By 200, it will give me a whole number between 100 and 200. And then subtracting by 100 will range the difference between the two light sensors somewhere between 0 and 100. It'll start off with a speed of 100, and then the if statement is in order for the whiskers, so that if it bumps into anything in the dark, it'll override the light sensors and turn and back up, turn to that direction, and beep. If it doesn't bump into anything, else if, and the difference, normal difference, is greater than or equal to 0, then the speed left, it'll turn left, or else it'll turn right towards that light. We can go ahead and we can do a demonstration on the floor.
Thank you, Nigel. Now I'm gonna get this robot kit drive on the floor.
Turn it to the second. There you go. Okay, so here's a clip of the functionality of the robot where the whiskers override the light sensor. And we'll drive this straight into a wall here.